Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Create your Razorpay account now and complete essential KYC. This unlocks API access. You need PAN, GSTIN if applicable, and a bank proof. Upload and wait for verification. Once done, go to the dashboard and switch to test mode first. This lets you obtain test API keys and simulate transactions without moving money. Make sure to choose the right account type for your business, because the verification level determines which endpoints and limits you can use. Navigate to Dashboard, then Settings, then API Keys. Click Generate. You get a key ID and key secret. Store those secrets in environment variables on your server so they are never hard-coded. Install the official Razorpay SDK for your language or call the REST endpoints over HTTPS. The SDK simplifies signature creation and error handling. Also set up a webhook URL and copy the webhook secret from Dashboard. This lets you verify event payloads, which prevents spoof notifications and keeps payments secure. Run comprehensive tests with the test keys, create orders, capture payments, refund, and validate webhook signatures. Once all flows work, replace test keys with live key ID and key secret in your production environment and retest one end-to-end transaction. Make sure server clocks are synced, because signature verification uses timestamps. If things fail, check logs for HTTP status, confirm webhook secret matches Dashboard, and ensure you did not mix test and live keys. After that, monitor transactions and enable alerts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.